So yes, we got the functional toggling auto-clicker, that's cool. But that's not enough. What I would like to my bot to do now is to automatically click on upgrades like this. Boop, 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 boop. But right now, I am moving the mouse, that's not good. So whenever an upgrade is available, we are going to make our bot to click on this. Boop. And what is the big difference between an available upgrade and an unavailable upgrade? This is the color. This tiny green little pixel. If this pixel is green, then it's available. We should click on it. If this pixel is red, we should not click on it. Very easy, right? And now we are going to tweak the code. Very simple. If an upgrade is available, I want to click on it. Yup. Else, I would like to click on the cookie. So the first thing to do is to get the green coordinates. And this method doesn't exist yet, we are going to create it. Let's think about it together. What would we like this method to do? It takes a screenshot of the screen, yes. For each pixel in the screen, we check if it is green. If it is, we return the coordinates. And else we return none. Very easy, right? First thing first, we take the screenshot. We spread it into two separate values. We are going to open a double loop so we can go through the whole screen like this. Boop, 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 boop. And we spread it into three separate values. Red, green, and blue. And so if those values are equal to this, then we return the coordinates. Because it would mean that it is green. 0% red, 0% blue, 100% green. Very easy, right? And after going through all the pixels in the screens, if we haven't found any green pixel, then we just say, oh, there is nothing, no problem anyway. So let's give it a try. Yup, there is a problem. The function keeps returning none. Not cool. I know that there is an error in my code since there are some green pixels. What should I do now? Go mad? No, of course. And here is the problem. This condition is not triggered. It means that either this is incorrect, either this is incorrect. We know that this is correct because the pixels are green. So we need to change this. Which value should we put there? All we need to do is to inspect this part. Got it. Blah 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 blah. Ah, got it. We are going to collapse every node until we find the color. Blah blah blah. Ah, got it. We click on it and here is the color. Nice. But sadly, this is not the good syntax. No problem, just click on it like this. And then you can convert it like this. Boop. Go to RGB, and now we have the values. This is the red, this is the blue, this is the green. And those are the values we are looking for. Cool. And so, let's go back into our code. We just need to replace these values by these ones, and we should be good. Let's click, and now we have found the coordinates. Look at this, that's fantastic. Oh, ho, ho. Now let's move for the next step. We did get the green pixel coordinates. So from the one, very simple. If some green coordinates have been found, we click on the green coordinates. If nothing has been found, then we just click. But where? We just need to click on the cookie coordinates. Very easy. And what are the cookie coordinates? We just need to click on this part of the screen. Boop. But the problem is that we don't know the coordinates yet. A little trick we can use is that if I click on any key, let's say X, then we print the coordinates. Ha, very easy. And from now on, every time I press X, it will display the coordinates. Cool. So I just have to display the coordinates of the cookie. Yup. Ah, voila. It's much better like this. We take this. We go back to the click function. And I think now it's complete. Cool. So now we run it again. Tack. And as you can see, my cursor is automatically going on the green pixels and to click on it. So cool. If no green pixel has been found, then it goes back on the cookie. Voila. Yes, that's fantastic and all. But wait, why is that so slow? Oh, I can't believe it. Yes, this is embarrassing because as you can see, the function is taking very long to run. Almost 1 semisecond, this is not fair. Yes, that's a problem because every time I want to click, I want to check first if there is an upgrade available. So it blocks the rest of the function for all of this time, that's too long. It's because the screen is very big, it will take the whole screen and to check for this magic pixel. So it goes for this pixel, then this pixel, then this pixel, one by one, like this. Bleh. But luckily, we can do it in a more efficient way. We are going to use a library! NumPy. Let's import it. So we take the screenshot. Then we convert it into a NumPy array. Then we get every pixel with the green color. First we take the first layer, we take the red layer, we compare it to this value. We take the green layer, we compare it to this value. We take the blue layer, we compare it to this value. It will result into an array. Wow, hip 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 array. So yes, if this array is bigger than 0, then it means that a green pixel has been found. We just need to return the coordinates and voila! Else we return none. Easy, right? There we go. Now I enable it. Yup. And as you can see, it's much more faster now. Wow, fantastic. Just look at this, it is 10 times faster. Wow, awesome. You can also get this specific region from the upgrade, so you can prevent your bot from running through the whole screen. That's so cool. Yes, the upgrade zone goes from this point to this point to this point. And now we can pass it to the screenshot, so it will just take this part of the screen. Easy. Woo! I guess we can call it a day. Now we have a fully functional Autobot that is so cool. But of course you can stay in touch to see future improvements. Oh, and by the way, don't forget that you can access the code in the description. Just go to the link. Et voilà, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Ciao!